Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the channel. The question is, a man just moved from the home and he wants to reach the office. So from home to office, he just moves in different ways. First thing is, just imagine first thing he just moved. Just consider it's the origin O and this one is A. Okay. So towards north, it just covered 50 meter and towards east, it just covered 40 meter and towards east it just covered 20 meter. Okay, so now you want to find out the distance and displacement from this question. It's very simple. So generally you just imagine what is the distance here. So you want to add every segment, that is 50 plus 40 plus 20. So finally we get 110 meter, right? So here the distance is just talk about the path. So whenever you're talking about the distance, you want to add each and every segment. Now here the thing, displacement. Here the people make a more confusion. So give full concentration in this particular moment. Now you want to find out the displacement. So imagine, so here the home. So from the home and towards the office, it just travel like this. So now you want to find out the displacement, that is the shortest, a straight line path. So it is the shortest straight line path. So now imagine you just consider this is a, you just make a segment, right? So now I'm going to make it as O, A, B and C. Just consider this one as a D part. So completely this is a 50 meter, right? Okay. Now already it will be 20 meters. So just consider 20 meter and remaining 50 we need. So you want to balance it. So 20 plus 30 we can write it. So it's a 30 meter. So completely it will be from A to O, it will be 15 meter. Now to find out the displacement, you want to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So now imagine this OC we need. OC the whole square equal to OD the square plus DC the square. Now OD we can take as a 30 square plus DC it will be 40. So now the thing it will goes like it's a 900 plus 1600. So it will be, so when you add this you will get 2500. Now you want to make the square root, right? So after getting square root it will be 50 meter. So in this question, the main segment displacement, right? So whenever you're finding the displacement, here Pythagoras theorem very important. So give more concentration in this Pythagoras theorem. And if you focus the Pythagoras theorem, so definitely the answer it will be crystal clear.